Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday, March 15th, and we bought some frost cloth for, some cold weather that was coming. Tonight, we are supposed to start getting some snow about 8 p.m. We're supposed to get 3 to 5 inches, and then we have a blizzard warning until tomorrow noon or something. So we're going to put frost cloth on these plants here. I'm going to show you, there's the hostas and everything that we potted up. I'll show you what they look like. There are a lot growing, as you can see. So we have to make a path and make it to where we can get this dang frost cloth on there so we can help our plants survive.
Make a path through here.
Okay. Where do you want to move them?
That's a good question. What do we want to
I
move?
don't know.
Move that cart and that table and stuff them up in there. That kill me?
No. We have to make a path in between because the frost cloth is only 10 foot wide, and we have to have enough area on the side to hold it down because the wind is supposed to get terrible since, blizzard warning. Start grabbing.
Just, yeah, I suppose what. Honey.
Huh?
Just a path, a simple two, like two row.
Okay.
I mean, looking at it, say, just straight down. The
Sure.
fewer the better. All mixed up. They got tags, so
Huh?
they're gonna be all mixed up.
That's all right. It's supposed to stay cold until Tuesday, so we'll take this frost cloth off Wednesday when John gets off work and see how well it worked. We've never used it before. But a lot of people do, so I'm sure it's going to work.
Seen it in a nursery.
But,
the Eve's nursery. That's what they use.
yeah.
They put a straw over top of that too. I don't think we need to do that.
No. It's not like this is going to hurt like them because they're perennials. It won't kill them, but it'll stunt their growth.
Set them back.
Yeah. It'll take a while for them to...
Well, all that green, all them leaves, they'll turn into mush.
Yeah.
Well, I just spilled mine.
Okay.
It happens.
Jeez Louise.
Yeah.
I didn't spill it, I just kicked it.
I was hoping that I could just reach over, but I cannot. I don't know what's supposed to be in there.
There's not a paper in there?
There is. I think like a squirrel dug it up out of something else and stuck it in a different pot. This says Heliopsis.
Oh, well, it's Heliopsis.
So they like them.
Yeah.
They're taking them out. Yeah, they're digging in there. Up there, see them too?
Yeah.
They've been digging.
These are hostas, and they're fine.
one of the biggest problems we're having. I mean, we'll worry about the cold and the critters are eating crops. We have maples, and they ate the tops of them.
Just chopped it right off.
So as long as it takes for a maple to grow, and then you lost a year's growth on a plant that takes a bunch of
17
years to grow. It's frustrating. I really just want to get rid of all the rabbits. I'm thinking of have an outdoor cat.
I thought about that.
Just
But
to have,
how do you get an outdoor cat? It's already got to be outdoors.
you get a cat, you throw him outdoors. And that's where he lives.
If you think about it, when we had our cats in town, we didn't have rabbits or squirrels.
No, we didn't. Can I just hand this to you?
Yeah.
Let's do that for this last year. I think that'll do it. What do you think?
I think so too.
So,
Move some bricks over.
yeah, guess so. I don't know how we're gonna do up in there.
I'll just grab it through the fence. You want me to go up there right now?
Oh, I can walk it. Yeah, but we're just gonna unroll it.
Yeah.
So we need to make paths in the future.
Yes.
Future? Our future? I think I got a corner right here. I don't know if it's your corner though.
That's my corner.
Yeah, here's mine. A couple bricks and oh, you got some right here. Oh boy, almost took a dive. Right? Taking a dive.
You want one right here?
And we're gonna have plenty of them on there. 60-mile-an-hour winds. It's gonna blow. She's gonna blow.
I don't know if there's scissors in there or not.
I don't see any. No, I don't think so. We need some scissors. I wonder if that's long enough to cover the other side. Pretty much.
Yeah. You want me to go get in the house and get some scissors?
Yeah, we'll cut this. Whoa, it's getting done.
After this blizzard comes, it's supposed to be like in the 20s Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday it's supposed to like be 40. And then from the rest of the forecast that we can see out, it's in the 60s. Crazy. Illinois is crazy. But I'm ready for it. Don't trip over the bricks.
Trip over the bricks. I should trip over the bricks.
No. Doesn't look like it'll.
Not gonna quite make it.
Nah.
That's kind of sucky.
Oh, we're just lightning.
Really?
Yeah. Off that way. holds off. I was hoping to have John show you guys what he got yesterday at Home Depot and Lowe's, because I failed to video it because my phone was being finicky. All right, he's got some conifers that he put out here because it was getting to be nice weather, and he's gonna move them in for the storm. They probably don't need it, but it's not gonna hurt them. Okay, we're back. We put the conifers away, but I want John to show you guys what he got yesterday. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and we'll head over there.
Everything I got yesterday, I didn't get that.
Yeah, but I didn't video it, remember, because my phone was being weird.
Got a weird one. I got those in there.
Huh?
I don't know. It probably didn't matter. I mean, they are. Maybe just push them under there.
Yeah, under there, so it's just sheltered. Tell them what they are.
Am I on?
Yeah,
come on.
You've been on.
Come on. This is a whipcord on a standard. Big one. Probably 10 years old. This one is, I have no idea.
The Serbian blue spruce.
Is it?
Yeah.
Serbian blue spruce?
Yep, on a standard.
On a standard, which is sweet.
It's raining more.
And then we got two of banana arborvitae.
Anna's Magic Ball. We got the things that are on standard at Home Depot in Bettendorf.
Yep.
Yeah. And then the Anna's Magic Ball we got at Lowe's here in Galesburg. He looked at them last weekend and didn't get them, but there was only 12 left. And I know they probably weren't going to get another shipment of those things. So.
I think we're good.
All right, it's raining more. All right, tell them bye.
Bye. Bye.
Good morning, guys. You just saw us put frost cloth over our plants, and now we are headed to Cameron and picking up a potting bench that one of our customers that we had last year that we just met for the first time is selling. And so I told her that we were interested, and she said to come get it, and we didn't really need to pay her money, but we were going to give her a credit for plants for her new place because she's moving. Well, I think she already moved. So we're headed there. I'll show you what it looks like. It's in her garage, so we have to get on her property, and hopefully the police don't get called on us. We'll see you in a bit. You can too. Knock it off. I fell apart.
It is falling apart.
It really didn't fall apart. Just the pieces that are supposed to come out came out. See? You put your dirt there. Ain't it cute? All right, go get the stuff and we're headed out again. Now we're headed to Lowe's to take some stuff back that we don't need anymore. Wiggle wire for the hoop house, since the hoop house kit we bought has wiggle wire in it. So get some money back. That's a good thing. So we're headed to Lowe's. And right there is our frost cloth area. But it snowed quite a bit. I'm thinking 6 inches. It sure is pretty, and it sure would have been nice to have this at Christmas. But instead it comes in March when it's supposed to be spring. Okay, I'm gonna go show you the other side of the yard, the garden area. Burr. I'm in the safety of our bedroom filming out the window. Because when I was on the deck, the wind swooped up my shirt and made me freeze. But here's our late March snow with blizzard warnings. The wind this morning was gusting, I think it said 40 mile an hour. The plow just came through a little bit ago. John didn't go to work because he was not going to attempt it because we figured there was no plow out, and with the winds he has to drive in the country. Rural areas are worse, and my work canceled for the day because she was looking out for the safety of her staff and her patients. But there it is, you guys. That's our mid-March snow. It sure is pretty. It's a pretty view.
All right, hi guys. It is, what is today?
Wednesday?
Wednesday, March 18th. And we are getting ready to take the frost cloth off. All the snow has melted off. It just melted off today. It's 51 degrees out. After the blizzard, it only took a couple days for it to get melted. So we're going to take the frost cloth off, see what everything is looking like, see if it was worth it, and we're going to take you along for the ride. Right, honey?
Yes.
Okay, here we go.
It's kind of weird because it's holding water. Why would it hold water?
I don't know. It is holding water.
Well,
Where do you want to?
Just put them right here. Since we got to do this in the end.
Okay. Hey, my rhubarb's coming up. I'll show you guys that in a minute.
Yeah, I seen that the other day.
Oh, my hands are muddy.
Like on your pants.
No.
What people do.
People?
Oh, yeah. fine. I mean, they may have taken a little,
From the weight, maybe.
maybe. I don't know.
It'll probably perk up. There's some growing. So they did pretty good. They did good, actually.
Yeah, that wasn't bad at all. It was a good idea.
Okay, I'll get my phone and I'll show you guys what they look like.
Be careful here.
Yeah, I will.
Which is funny, but not good. Not ideal.
They all look really nice. These ones are there's frost hosta. And there's some more growth down here. This is the Ligularia, the rocket, all randomly put in there. And this is some stuff that is overwintered from last year. It'll take a bit. But I think the frost cloth is a plus for sure. Alright, I'm going to show you my rhubarb coming up. And my strawberries. It is supposed to be 72 degrees on Saturday. So we're going to come out and do a bunch of yard work, clean up, and getting things ready for getting it all cleared off so all the new growth can start coming out. Because I very doubt we're going to have another storm like we did. I'm happy with it.
I'm going to get some water and put on the maples.
Okay. We're really happy with the frost cloth. It was an actual cheap buy, and I think it helped. It even if it maybe if it didn't, it helped mentally that we knew we had some sort of protection for the plants. But I think it helped a lot. It's not wilty at all. They're not dewy or anything. They look really good. I think there's a couple hostas that are kind of just angled down, but I think that was from the weight of the snow. We got 6 inches of snow, so I think that was from the weight of it. But all right, guys, and that'll be it for this video, and we hope you come back for the next one.